Hello everyone. This week we have a big project. The project is you guys doing some research about Chinese food. And when you are searching the Chinese food on Google, you should first click the setting. In the setting, you have so many options. Then you click the advanced research. So here the first line you can use the keywords. You can put Chinese word together, or if you want to use Chinese language, Chinese simplified, then you use Chinese simplified. It will give you other information in Mandarin. And the region, because we all know Mandarin-speaking country, we have Singapore, China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. So you can choose these countries here. Of course, most of them are in China, mainland China. And another thing you can search, because we want a very fresh thing, you can click here, past year. And if you want to search something really professional, then you use @bu. It will come out the good websites from the university or from government. Then you can use it. And anywhere in this page, you can only search in the title of this page. You can use filter or format. Format can be PPT. There are some PowerPoint about the Chinese food or PDF. Yeah. So this is the way you can get more information, and some with license, some with not license. Yeah. Hope you guys can get more information. You can click the advanced search. Here you can find out there are many Chinese words came out because we chose the language. Okay, thank you guys.